In a world that's constantly changing and unpredictable, one thing remains constant: our need for kindness, not just for each other, but for the animals, wildlife, or domestic that share this planet with us. When we teach the old and the young around us to show compassion for animals, we just create a better world for everyone. Caring for animals goes beyond feeding them or giving them a place to sleep. It's about developing empathy, a deep understanding of their feelings, their needs, and their struggles. When young people learn to understand animals in this way, they just become better at caring for each other too, for their friends, their family, even for strangers who might need a helping hand. When children learn that kindness to animals is not just an option, a choice, but a real responsibility, and it is part of the ethics of being a true human being, then they begin to understand the broader importance of treating all living beings with respect. And by living beings, we mean trees, rivers, the sky, the very air we breathe. The learning happens best when schools, families, and communities get involved. It's during our school days that we learn our values. And it is in that hope that we want to invite all schools and colleges to visit our Lifetime Care Sanctuary, meet our animals, and experience the connection one can feel hearing a kitten purr, a dog gaze into our eyes, hold a lamb or a donkey baby and feel its heart beat next to yours, stroke a cow and let its soft tongue lick your hand. It's magical. Teaching kindness to the next generation isn't just about caring for animals, it's about actually building better individuals. Young people learn responsibility, patience with those beings who speak another language than their own. It teaches them respect for all living things. When you teach a young person to be kind to animals, you also teach them how to be kind to each other. Compassion fosters connection. It reduces stress, the sense of selfish self. It builds stronger communities. It is the magic key that empowers youth to be leaders of change and champions of justice, because it teaches them to speak on behalf of those who cannot speak for themselves. Together, we can teach our children the importance of kindness to animals. Schools have a unique opportunity to bring the lessons of compassion to life by visiting our sanctuary and by allowing this interaction to begin. We invite educators and institutions to bring their students to our sanctuary, where learning empathy is an everyday real-world experience. Engaging with animals is the most powerful and meaningful way to understand the power of kindness and compassion. Every visit, every lesson, every act of kindness brings us one step closer to a much better world. By encouraging schools to visit, we open the doors for students to see firsthand what it takes to make the world a better place for themselves, for their communities, and for all living creatures. We want to build a future where kindness to animals is the norm, not the exception. Thank you so much, and I do hope you will visit our sanctuary soon.